How to grow ficus bonsai on Deadwood. It's the year 2022. This is the Deadwood which I found on my backyard. I will grow a ficus on it. I've already polished it and curved the way for the roots. First bind the Deadwood tightly with the pot. And this is the ficus which I've collected from a tree. Now we have to place it carefully. Arrange the roots where it will look best. You can use any kind of thread to bind the roots. This roots will become my aerial roots, which will support the plant in future. My soil mixture contained 50% soil, 30% sand and 20% fertilizer. After 2 years, my plant grows well. It is June 2024. Here I have to do some trimming. Regular trimming will give you more branches. With more branches, your bonsai will look more beautiful. But don't trim it when the branches are still young. Wait till they get mature, otherwise the plant's growth may get stagnated. This aerial root didn't reach the soil, it will take a long time. So what I have to do? In this case, we can use any straw or bamboo material to help the aerial roots to reach the soil more quickly. Aerial roots can be seen mostly during rainy season, if your plant is healthy or mature. I'm using this bamboo to help the aerial root to reach the soil. Most of the aerial roots used to die before reaching the ground. This is not dead. Cut the bamboo and place it beneath the soil. Carefully put the aerial roots and add some sand on it. I have to wait for another 2 or 3 months to open it. Or you can keep it for 1 year to get mature aerial root. Here the main root is covered with soil or tiny roots. We have to clean it to expose the roots or to give a clear view. I'm spraying water on the Deadwood to give a good shiny look on the video. But if you want to grow a ficus on Deadwood, don't spray or pour water directly on it. Direct contact with water may cause damage or decay to the very wood. Here I have to do some wiring. Keep it in a safe place. Avoid direct contact of rainfall. After 2 or more years, this bonsai will look more mature and beautiful. The more aged your bonsai is, the more beautiful your bonsai will become. Thank you so much, guys. Next video coming soon. Do subscribe my channel to check out my next video. Thank you so much, guys.